Hello and welcome to this content. It is a beautiful sunny day. My feet are freezing. And we are looking at a Ford Focus, a new addition to the family. It is a 2012 with a 2-liter Duratec and a 5-speed manual. This here 2-liter Duratec does have a blown head gasket or warped head, one of the two. And that was caused by the water pump erupting on him. Okay. The previous owner did go ahead and put a new water pump on there. Look how shiny that sumbitch is. However, if there's one thing that the 2-liter Duratec doesn't like, that is overheating. If you've got one of these, don't let it overheat, I'll say that. If you've got over 150,000 miles on the original water pump, go ahead and replace it. Other than that, you should be good. Just keep an eye out for things. Sometimes the O-rings in those hoses leak. Sometimes these crack, the coolant bottle. Without further interruption, I'm going to go ahead and crank this thing over for you. And I don't know, you want to hear the sound of low compression? And you want to see the combustion gases coming in the bottle there? All right, boys. You want to hear what low compression sounds like? You can kind of hear it there. Oh my goodness. It does puff like a choo-choo train sometime, but not right now. We'll see all the gurgling up in there once it's warmed up a bit, but you want to see the rest of this thing real quick? Brand new tires all the way around, brand new brakes all the way around, and rotors too. It is the sedan. It's got a sunroof on it, and it's got a spoiler. No dents, no big scratches, and not a spot of rust under this thing. Can you believe that? Look at that. Hercules! Yeah! She does have 225,000 miles on her. She does have a check engine light. So what do you say we scan for codes here? She is booting up here. It's a launch scan tool. The company reached out and sent this to me and wanted me to throw it in a video for them. This is pretty wild. It connects to the Wi-Fi in its touchscreen. And it does basic functions too, like a clutch adaptive learn if you have the DPS6 Ford Focus. And I'll have a link for it in the description below. Oh my goodness, it smells like burnt coolant. Read fault code. Cylinder 2 misfire, catalytic converter efficiency, evap leak detected, small leak, another PO420, and another evap code leak there. Yeah, that's it. The engine misfire is probably caused by the coolant consumption. Catalytic converter, it could just be inefficient, or it could be caused by the misfire or the evap leak if it's leaning out the mixture. An evap leak is most likely the purge valve. What do we have here? Oh, that's friggin' wonderful. Just pretend like we didn't see that. Oh my goodness. She's a little glowy looking. When the coolant was boiling out of there, it was going all over the alternator and causing the alternator light to come on the dash. And believe it or not, even with the blown head gasket, I drove at 40 miles and didn't miss a beat. However, when I picked up the car, it smoked out of the exhaust. It smelled like burning coolant and all that. So kind of want to do something special here for you guys. I'm thinking a 2-liter EcoBoost swap. My question to you is, what do you want to see? The Focus at the junkyard that I gutted to get the manual swap done on that one already has an engine sitting out on the ground. However, it's just another 2-liter Duratec. I could put a turbo kit on that and put it in here, or I could try to find a 2-liter EcoBoost out of an Escape or a Focus ST and put it in here, or I could try to find a 2.3-liter EcoBoost out of a Mustang and put it in here. Ooh! It just depends on what I can find, but what do you guys want to see? Once again, just let me know in the comments down below. Lots of content coming on it. I'll have a video long overdue, by the way, on how to remove the catalytic converter on one of these without pulling the subframe out. You can pull it out through the top. I'll have a video for removing the 2-liter Duratec engine out of a Ford Focus. I'll have a video on tearing down a 2-liter Duratec if you're curious about that. And I'll have a video on whatever the heck I'm going to do with this thing. Do you like the stereo? Oh, another idea, I could do a 6F35 and 2-liter EcoBoost swap in this, and then I'll be able to sell the manual transmission and everything. I don't know, there's a lot of options here. A lot of decisions to make. And I'm looking forward to hearing your input down in the comments section. Let this car be our blank slate here, or empty drawing board. Let's come up with something. Guys, I sure do hope you like the car. Sure, I'm excited to make content on it. I'm going to get out here and go inside and thaw out a little bit. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.